Hi everyone, I'm David. Welcome to Daily English Fix, the channel for English learners who want to listen clearly and speak with confidence.
Hello, I'm Sophia. Here on Daily English Fix, we speak slowly and clearly so you can hear every single word.
You don't just listen, you can shadow, you can repeat, you can speak along with us.
By listening to clear, standard English, your brain starts to remember words naturally.
If you find this helpful, please subscribe to the channel.
And don't forget to like and share this video with someone who is learning English.
When you subscribe, you won't miss our next lessons.
New videos, simple English, everyday topics.
Practice with Daily English Fix every day. Just 10 minutes a day.
You will see real results in 1 week.
Let's start today's lesson. Now, today we will talk about love. We will learn how to speak about love in simple English, from feelings, dating, habits, past love, to common expressions and idioms.
Yes. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about love confidently, use simple sentences, and even shadow along with us to remember new words.
Let's start today's lesson.
Let's start with relationship status. But this time, let's say it in a more natural way.
Instead of only saying I'm single, you can also say I'm single at the moment. I'm not seeing anyone right now.
If you are in a relationship, you can say, I'm in a serious relationship. I'm dating someone. I'm with someone special.
These sentences sound more natural and more adult.
Now, let's talk about feelings. This is where love really begins.
Feelings in love are not always simple, so we don't always say I like him or I like her.
Here are some more natural ways to talk about feelings.
You can say I'm really into him. I've grown very close to her.
If you want to sound more emotional, you can say, I have strong feelings for you. I feel a deep connection with you.
Here is a very common expression, I'm falling for you. This means you are starting to fall in love.
And this idiom is very popular. You mean a lot to me. Simple words, but very powerful.
Now that we know how to talk about feelings, let's see how people talk about dating.
Dating is not just about going out. It's about spending time and getting to know each other.
You can say we've been going out for a while. We spend a lot of time together. We really enjoy each other's company.
Here is a very natural phrase. We just clicked. It means you felt comfortable with each other very quickly.
And this one is very common. We get along really well.
Next, let's talk about habits in love.
When people are in love, they don't need grand gestures. Love shows up in small, sweet habits.
We talk every night until one of us falls asleep. Sometimes just hearing your voice is enough.
We check in on each other for no real reason, just to say, I'm thinking about you.
He remembers the little things. My favorite song. My coffee order.
No matter how busy life gets, we always find our way back to each other.
With you, my heart feels at ease.
You don't just make me happy, you make me feel at home.
But love, like life, can change with time. So now let's look back at the past. Sometimes love is a memory.
You can say, I used to be deeply in love. We used to dream about the future together. I used to believe it would last forever.
Used to helps you talk about past habits and past feelings.
And sometimes love is not easy.
Every relationship has challenges.
You can say, We go through ups and downs. We've had our rough moments. We don't always see eye to eye.
But healthy love sounds like this. We work things out. We communicate openly. We grow together.
Finally, let's learn some love idioms people use every day.
Here are some common love idioms.
Have butterflies in your stomach. Feel nervous and excited.
Be on the same wavelength. Understand each other well.
For example, and when we talk, we're on the same wavelength. Now you can talk about love in a deeper way. Not perfect English, but real English.
Don't just listen. Shadow with us. Repeat out loud.
Practice with Daily English Fix every day. Just 10 minutes a day.
Give yourself 1 week. You will hear the difference. You will feel the difference.
Slow English, clear English.
This is Daily English Fix. See you in the next lesson.